Hello everyone, welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a colorful, cheesy and super delicious Veg Paneer Sandwich. It's crunchy, flavorful and perfect for breakfast, snacks or kids' lunch boxes. Let's start the recipe. Take some fresh bread slices. Always use fresh bread for the best texture. Spread a layer of creamy mayonnaise on the side. Add a few slices of onion, green, yellow and red capsicum for that lovely crunch and color. Adding colorful veggies make your meal as healthy as it is tasty. Now add some soft paneer cubes on top. Paneer is a great source of protein and calcium, perfect for growing kids. Sprinkle pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes. And a pinch of salt for that perfect flavor. Add a spoonful of boiled corn. And 2 teaspoons of pizza sauce for the tangy twist. Cover it with another slice of bread. Now brush some butter on a grill pan. And cook one side for about 1 minute until slightly golden. Now remove from the pan. And now the fun part, let's make it cheesy. Spread some pizza sauce on top. Then add mozzarella cheese. Don't overload the filling, it helps the sandwich stay crisp. Top it with more capsicum and onion. You can easily turn this recipe into a pizza sandwich with the same ingredients. Sprinkle a few chili flakes and oregano. Now brush some butter on the pan. Cook on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Cook until the cheese melts beautifully and the edges turn crisp. Paneer adds protein and calcium while capsicum and corn bring vitamins and fiber, making this a balanced and tasty meal for the whole family. And that's your quick, cheesy and colorful paneer sandwich. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite type of sandwich filling?